Hi, M5713. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Flordelisa Quezon. I am 45 years old, single mother, but I have three children, ages 19, 17, and 15 years old. I
Yeah.
am high school graduate.
And your religion?
I am Christian.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Singapore, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My work experience in Singapore, sir, is to take care of baby, to house clean, and cooking, ironing, and marketing, and car washing.
How many car do you car wash?
Only one, sir.
Okay, and you have another experience here in the Philippines,
Yes,
right?
I have experience, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
My work experience here in Philippines is to take care of two child. That one is newborn and 7 years old, and I I I clean house,
Okay?
ironing, washing, marketing.
And you're also car washing, right?
Yes, sir.
How many car do you car wash?
One only, sir.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 2 months and also a newborn, tell me about how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Uh, First, I clean my hands, and I wash the bottle before I boil the bottle, and then I put a little amount of water and uh, uh, milk, and shake, and after I shake I check the temperature, and then before I give the baby,
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature, I check the stomach, I check the diaper.
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also feed the baby. Maybe the baby is hungry, or also change the diaper. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call to my employer. I ask to my employer what will I do for, or why I didn't stop the crying of baby.
That the baby doesn't stop to cry.
Yes.
That's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the one of most safest country in the world, and high salary, and the employer is nice employer.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finish my contract, and as long they want me,
You will stay with them. So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house? And your employer doesn't at home that day. What will you do?
I will call my employer. I ask them to expect if they have expecting visitors, and then if they answer me is nothing to expecting visitors, then I cannot go inside, or I cannot I, I will call the police and report.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because it's too difficult to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right? And it's
Yes.
too risky, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Vegetables, sir.
Like what kind of vegetable?
Is blanch, and
Okay.
vegetable.
Okay, blanch
Yes,
vegetable.
sir.
Other than
Steamed
blanch,
fish.
okay, steamed fish. Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
Sharing jobs with a helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Uh, Hello, ma'am, sir. If you choose me, please choose me. And if you choose me, I will promise to you that I am kind, I am trustworthy, I am hardworking, and, and I am loving. I treat you as a my family, and your daughter and son, I will treat as my own son and daughter also. I
Oh,
will love your family. I will take care of your whole family, mom and sir.
okay. Thank you very much, Miss Flor de Lisa. Thank you.
Thank you so much.